Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Let's jump right into this lesson on variables. I used the Ctrl+S shortcut key to save my file. Please feel free to name the file to your liking. Let's first start with assigning a variable. In order to assign a variable, you need what you want to call your variable on the left. This is A in this case, an equal sign, and what the variable will represent. In this case, A will represent hello when it's called to be printed. You can also use sum operators for string variables. It will simply combine them in this case. Alright, moving onwards, assigning a variable to a number is similar to how strings are assigned. You can also use operators for numbers represented with a variable. Time for the grand finale. Java has nothing on this in terms of simplicity. You can assign multiple variables at once with Python by using the equal sign between variables, ending it with what you want the variable to represent. Thank you for watching.